Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make invisibility potions. Start with the essentials for brewing. You will need a brewing stand, some blaze powder for fuel, and 3 glass bottles. Fill those bottles with water to make water bottles. Then, simply place the blaze powder into the fuel slot of your brewing stand. This sets the foundation for crafting your invisibility potions. Next, we will create awkward potions, which are the base for many advanced concoctions. Place your 3 water bottles into the bottom 3 slots of the brewing stand. Then, add 1 nether wart to the top ingredient slot. Allow the brewing stand to process these ingredients, and in a short time, you will have 3 awkward potions ready for the next step. Now, let's transform those awkward potions into something more useful. Take your 3 awkward potions and place them back into the brewing stand's potion slots. For the ingredient, you will need 1 golden carrot. Brew these together, and you will soon have 3 potions of night vision. This is a crucial intermediate step towards invisibility. For the grand finale, we will turn night vision into invisibility. Place your 3 potions of night vision into the brewing stand. The final ingredient is 1 fermented spider eye. Brew these together, and you will successfully create 3 potions of invisibility. Each potion will grant you 3 minutes of stealth, perfect for various adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.